Hey lawyers, this is 4 reasons why law firms should consider AI, artificial intelligence video. There's 3 ways to work with us. Our agency does it all for you, coaching, and self-study courses. Hey, it's Mary Cary again, your legal marketing director, strategist, website developer, and video production director. Having artificial intelligence videos speak for you might seem pretty weird to most lawyers. However, there's a few potential benefits to using AI-generated video for marketing your law firm. But first, a quick introduction. I've produced over 10,000 law firm videos in all different styles. Having a video is easy, but having a video that reaches or surpasses your goals is not so easy. While my marketing agency does everything related to signing new clients and streamlining your practice,
where'd they find this guy?
I think that I'm best known for video production, not only from directing so many thousands of videos and building video studios in law firms, but as the marketing agency tracking the data that proves that the videos reached their goals. And marketing, when done correctly, is a fabulous investment. So let's jump into this subject. Here are some AI video samples.
Today, I'm going to share the top 5 things that can go very wrong when hiring an attorney. My name is Mary and I am an artificially generated video.
And now in Mandarin.
Jinten vijin van hingze English kining de kan best jinsha. Jobus Lushidun ringing shingching deshpen.
Pretty amazing that's not a person. Let's check out the script in Spanish.
Decir las 5 cosas principales que pueden salir muy mal al contratar a un abogado. Mi nombre es Beth y soy un vídeo generado artificialmente.
Now let's consider 4 reasons why you might use AI video for your law firm. 1. Time and cost efficiency. Creating videos can be time-consuming and expensive, especially if you need to hire a production team or pay for studio time. Using AI to generate the videos can save you time and money by automating much of the video creation process. Customization. AI-generated videos can be customized to meet specific marketing goals or target specific audiences. For example, you can create a series of videos that address common legal questions or concerns that potential clients might have. Personalization. AI-generated videos can be personalized with your own voice, images, and branding to create a more authentic and engaging experience for your audience. Scalability. AI-generated videos can be easily scaled up, down, or whichever way you want to go, depending on your marketing needs. You can also create a large volume of videos in a short period of time to meet demand, or you can create a smaller number of videos to test different marketing strategies. Overall, AI-generated videos can be a useful marketing tool for lawyers looking to save time and resources while still creating high-quality, personalized content for their audience. I hope this information has been inspiring and helpful. Please stay engaged and get to know us. Reach out anytime by email with your comments, questions, or ideas. Thank you so much, and here's to your success. Having some inspiration? Let's take your project from a dream to reality. Email me right now. Join us on Facebook, and if you're on YouTube, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. That's so that more law firms like yours can find this content. Thank you so much.